This episode brought to you by Smokes Chocolate. Smokes Chocolates. Chocolate delivery with free gift from a med card holder. All of our delivery drivers are med card holders. No purchase necessary. Alright, so we just got back from DHL. I went and got the package. It's here. Gonna go ahead and unbox it. Got a sturdy knife. Let's take a look. Here goes the invoice. So I ordered 4 of them, and it's saying that I got 5 of them. So we'll check that out, see what we got. Take a look, see if we got a little extra. That'd be dope. Boom. Alright, so we got our trucks. They're looking good. This is the truck that the motors are going to go into. This is the one that the wheels are going to go into. What we've also discovered is that this little shaft pin right here that the shaft is supposed to connect to is going to be just a little too small. I should say a lot too small to, stay in there securely. There's a whole bunch of wiggle room in here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add the adapter for the shaft so that this goes on. I have 2 that are already pre-adapted, so we'll see if those will come out easily, and then, we'll go from there. Or while the motors need an adapter on the shaft, we went ahead. Really, the reasons why I got these over the other pair is that the wheels fit on here nice. These wheels are super dope on here. They're smooth. They fit on smoothly. They're smooth. We might go ahead and toss these on first, and we'll put the trucks on later. But they fit. This is a snug fit too.